Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're going to do a quick unboxing here of something that is a little bit odd. We got a plain brown box because I picked up an RC from Amazon Warehouse Open Box Products. So yeah, like I mentioned in my last unboxing video, I'm kind of a sucker for sales and deals and clearance. And the other thing I look for is open box items. So you can go on Amazon Warehouse, and that's all the things that have been purchased and then returned during the return period that are deemed okay enough to resell. When you're looking at those products, they all have various prices, as well as they have details about the condition of. So this one was an RC that came repackaged, and we're going to take a look at it right now. Okay, so this is a type of an RC that I've never had before, and I'm excited to open it up, and I'll just give you a brief overview of it on the bench here, and then we're going to take it to the track where we have a crawler course where we can try it out. Now, this thing is seems to be in very good condition. It still has all of the plastics on it and the packaging. Ooh, here it is. Look at this. It's a Losi Nightcrawler. How cool is this? So I've never had one of these before. This is a solid axle, worm gear driven, comp crawler style crawler. And the thing that's special about these is how much articulation they have. They have a ridiculous amount of articulation with solid axles, front and rear. Fully locked differentials and a worm gear drive, so it is it's very torquey. This is the newest version of the Losi Nightcrawler, and this is a discontinued product. Quite surprised to see that it was in stock even as a return, and to me this is pretty much the first time I've really seeing it. It looks absolutely brand new to me. I can see no scratches, no damage. It looks to have never been ran. I would say that it was just purchased and then decided they didn't like it, or who knows, and it was returned. I have a 4-link suspension. It's all plastic links. It does have metal bodied shocks, and the shocks have adjustable collars, but the old school style adjustable collars where they're not threaded. You just use an Allen wrench and then you slide it down to adjust your preload. Has tons of lights on it. So you have a light bar under here, you have a light bar on top, you have a light bar under here, and you have little rock lights on either corner shining down at the wheels. And this is the Crawler SE for Scale Edition, which means that you get this cage and this body. So this body is specific to the Scale Edition, and the other Nightcrawlers come with what is mostly a comp style body, like a cliffhanger type body. And this one is a little bit different. So this one looks a little bit more scale, but also not, because the proportions are a little weird. So I may or may not use this body. It has 2 clips on the side, so let's take the clips off and take a look underneath and just see what that looks like. Standard 4 body clips. So for the Scale Edition, you get a gas tank on the rear, you get an axe, a shovel, and a pick. Pop this off. Okay, where's all the lights plug into? But that came off clean, or actually the lights were not plugged in, was likely it, because they're all zip tied up in here. So looks like one lead. Yeah, they all the lights pigtail off, and just one lead plugs into your receiver. And this is the main unit. So it's it's a comp crawler. Pretty much. This is, Losi had a Losi comp crawler for a while, which was based on this exact same platform with a couple of tweaks. So this is a competition style crawler. It just has a lot of the competition grade equipment taken off of it to make it a cheaper, ready to run style vehicle. So it does take a full stick pack. You can run it on 2S or 3S, and I will be trying it on a 3S today as its first run. Comes with the older Dynamite style ESC, like a 60 amp ESC. It does come with real beadlock wheels, which is nice, and Super Swamper tires. So licensed tires with beadlock wheels. And this under skid plate is all plastic, and all the links are plastic, but they're pretty rigid because they have this triangular design to them, or Yeah, the motor is, it's a 27, no, it's a 35 turn. It's a 35 turn motor, and this is using the newest electronics that came available in the Losi Nightcrawler. Newer speed control and newer motor system. Mostly I think they changed some of the gearing and the motor in the later revisions. For a radio system, I do believe this is using something a little bit unfortunate, which is the SRX protocol. So it's not a very good radio system. It's the SRX 200 receiver. It's a 3-channel, and I think this is the STX2 radio, which is not good. I just want to see. Oh, wait a second. This is not the right radio for this product. This is an associated radio. This is the XP130. Oh, I should open this up a lot earlier. So, hey, Amazon unboxed. Amazon open box. Someone screwed them over and ordered something to steal the radio out of it, and then returned it with a different radio. So that is odd. So yeah, this is the Team Associated XP130. It's totally the wrong radio for this RC. We got a book. But we got a book. I was just going to get it ready and just go to the track right now, but obviously this won't work. So I'll probably have to change the receiver right away and pair it with a new radio. Alright, so let me do that, and then we'll pick this up when it's ready to run. Got the Nightcrawler running out here with my buddy with the Blazer that you've seen. Look at this shot. This thing is bright. Looks really cool though. Okay, we're gonna leave your house, birdies. Yeah, we're gonna go now. Nice.